5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, Dominic! Happy New Year, Nak! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Dominic! Happy New Year to all our families and friends around the globe. Ayan, salamat sa pagdalaw.
Shanghai. 2, 3.
Happy New Year! Happy 2025!
May bigilin ko ito ang forever mo.
Forever! May 921! Forever! Thank you for coming! Happy New Year! Mag-cut po kami ngayon ng Vasillopita. Ayan po guys, ang Vasillopita. Ayan. Tradisyon po ng mga Greek na pag nag-cut niyan, may hidden coin siya sa loob. So kung sino makakuha ng hidden coin will be considered lucky for the year. Ayan. So let's start.
How many pieces?
So we're gonna cut it in 5. 5 only.
5.
Yeah.
I cut it in the middle.
It's okay. One for Jesus, one for Mary, one for the house, and one for you and for me. Okay. So we're gonna find the hidden coin inside. So we're gonna choose for Jesus, for Mary, and for the house. So choose which for Jesus. This one for Jesus. For the house, for Mary, Mama Mary, and for the house. Okay. So which one is yours?
This one's mine.
Okay, the bigger one. So let's gonna find out.
Let me eat, bro.
Sak na po yun ito coin. Here on mine. We can still eat the bread after, of course. Ah, it's there for Mama Mary. Open the coin. Woo! So it's for Mama Mary. So that's the hidden coin inside. Happy New Year! Kronya pula si Olos. Happy New Year! Happy 2025!